Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to your math lesson for today. So this week, we are going to be talking about solving one-step word problems. So a word problem is when we have a story that has a math problem within it. So we have to find the parts in the whole in our story. And we have to figure out if we are adding, subtracting, or finding the missing part. So we're going to explore this together in our instruction book. And we are on pages 8 and 9 in our instruction book. So you can go ahead and get that out if you want to work along with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read the story that we have. We have some delicious grapes over here. So it says, Seth ate 9 grapes. Then his dad gave him more grapes and he ate them. Seth ate 15 grapes in all. How many grapes did Seth's dad give him? I'm going to read that again. I like to read it at least 2 times so I can figure out what might my parts be and my whole, and maybe some words that might help me figure out what's going on. So Seth ate 9 grapes. So I'm going to circle 9. Ooh, maybe. Seth ate 9 grapes. Then his dad gave him more grapes. Seth ate 15 grapes in all. How many grapes did Seth's dad give him? So if I hear the words in all, that's going to be my part or whole. It's going to be my whole, right? Because if I put 2 parts together, it tells me all that I have. So on letter A right here, it says, what is the total number of grapes Seth ate? Write this number in the top box. What was that number? How many did he eat? Here, let me erase it so you can see it a little better. He ate 15 grapes in all. So I'm going to write 15 in this box. Oh, this kind of looks like a number bond. We're going to talk about the number bond ways that we can see. How many grapes did Seth eat first? What was the number that we saw at the beginning? He ate 9 grapes, and it says to write this number in the box, bottom left box. Ooh, what does the question mark stand for? We talked about this last week. It is we have a whole, we have a part, and that question mark is the missing part. And I'm going to write it in a complete sentence. It stands for the missing part. Ooh, so we are going to have to find how many grapes did Seth's dad give him. Now it says for us to write an equation using the numbers in the first model. So what number is going to go here? We know that this is where our 2 parts go and our whole goes here. So what's going to go in this space? The 9, right? Because 9 was one of our parts. And what was the whole that Seth ate? He ate 15 altogether. What strategy can we use to find this missing part? We can pound and count. We can make a fact family, but we can start with 9 and count on to 15. So let's do that together. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many grapes did Seth's dad give him? 6. So how many grapes did Seth's dad give him? 6 grapes. All right, so we found our missing part. Let's go over to this side. It says that you can use models to show the problem on the previous page. So the model that we used over here is called a bar model. We could use a tape diagram, or we can use a number bond. We have used number bonds in the past. You have probably seen these different models. It says the question mark can be in different places in the model and equations. So maybe we'll see the question mark at the top. That means we need to find the whole. Sometimes we will have to find the missing part, or we might have to find the other missing part. So maybe it'll give us one part and we have to find the other, or sometimes it'll give us both parts and we have to find the whole. So guys, when we're looking at these models, it's really important to remember where your whole and your part goes, okay? If I have 9 and 15 already given to me, that does not mean that I add 9 plus 15. That means that I need to find the part that makes 15 with 9. So I wouldn't add 9 and 15 because 24 is bigger than my whole. Because if I made 24 as my part, that wouldn't make sense. So when you are looking at these equation models, when you're looking at the number bond, the tape diagram, or the bar model, I want you to remember your two parts are the smaller boxes and your whole is on top. All right, let's work on this last problem together. It says Ronan has 11 marbles. I'm going to underline 11 because that sounds important. He gave some away. Ooh, he gave some away. So does that mean I'm getting more or losing some? I can hear your brains thinking. Now he has 6 left. How could you use a model and equation to find how many marbles Ronan gave away? So I'm gonna make a bar model. All right, here's my bar model. And I know that my whole will go on top and my parts will go beneath. So it says Ronan had 11 marbles. He gave some away. Now he has 6 left. Am I adding or subtracting? I'm subtracting, right? So remember, when I subtract, I start with my big number, my whole. What was the big number? It was 11. So Ronan had 11. He gave some away. Does it tell us how much he gave away? No. So I'm going to make that a question mark. Now he has 6 left. Ooh, so that's the part that he has left. How many did he give away? What strategy could I do to find this missing part? I know that it's going to look like this, but remember, if I know my fact family, I know that if I made it an adding sentence, I would be adding a part with 6 to make 11. So I can do what right now? I can count on because I don't have 11 fingers. I can't take 6 away from 11 fingers. So we're going to count on. We're going to start at 6 and count to 11. Here we go. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know that Ronan has how many left? He has 5 left. Guys, when we are talking about these word problems, it's really important that you mark your story up, because if I don't listen to the words and think about what they mean, I won't know what part I have left. I won't know what my whole is. I won't know what my part that I'm adding to another part is. It's really important to think and to read your story over and over again so you know what's going on. So we can use different models to show us and organize our parts and our whole. And we can use the strategies we talked about to help us figure out a missing part, a whole, or a part that is left. All right, second grade Smarties, you are doing a fantastic job. Keep that growth mindset. Good learners do hard things. You will also have practice pages to do. Don't forget to take pictures of your finished work and send them to me in Seesaw. All right, second grade Smarties, have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.